how to use Twitter for beginner. So hello friends, welcome back to the another video of Android tips. So friends, first of all, I would like to request you all to please do subscribe this YouTube channel. Please help us to grow, and uh, please tap on the notification bell button so that you'll receive more informative videos about Android tips. So friends, in this video I'll be showing you how to use Twitter only for beginners. So you just need to watch this video till the end to know how to use Twitter. So friends, let's get started. So I'll take you to Twitter. So friends, I have newly created this Twitter account. You can see I have 0 following, 0 followers. So I'll show you. Right, I have made a video on how to create Twitter account. You can just check out from Android tips YouTube channel, that is my YouTube channel. So after creating, it will be like this. The interface will be like this. Welcome to your timeline. It's empty now, but it won't be for so long. Start following people and you'll see tweets show up here. So friends, you just need to follow some Twitter users so that you'll find tweets feeds. So to check your profile, you simply need to tap here and then tap on profile, and then you can see new to tweet. Your tweets will show up here, but let's set up your profile first. So friends, to add your profile, you simply need to tap here, set up profile. You can set your profile by tapping here. It will open up your gallery and then you can select. I'll skip it for now, you can do that. And for your background picture, for your cover picture, you can simply tap there. I'll skip for now. And then you can enter your bio, like what you do, what your occupation and all. I will skip for now. I hope you can do that. And then your username, your Twitter username, you can simply change your username. So I hope you can do that. What shall people call you, your username? So I'll skip for now. I hope you can do that. And your location, you can just give your location from where you are. So I hope you can do that and skip for now. And then your profile is updated. See profile. Okay, wait, I'm having some network issue. So friends, that's it. We can set up our profile, profile picture, cover picture, date of birth, username, everything you can set up from here. So the first thing is done, and you can see your Twitter story. We can add story from here. You simply need to tap here, and then you can fleet a tweet, or you can select a picture from gallery. You can post picture and then fleet a tweet, fleeting thoughts. So friends, that's the another thing. And to enable dark mode, normal mode, you simply need to tap here and then tap here. So you can see you will find this option, dark mode on, off. You can see here, yeah, I'm using dim theme. So that's it. So to tweet you simply need to tap here. You can see, tap here. You can tweet what's happening. You can select your picture from here. You can see, you select a picture from here, it will open up a gallery. You can tweet a picture with a caption, and then for notification, it's here. For notification, you will get the notification from here. To search Twitter users, here you can search here. You can search people's here, and this is for messages. So friends, these are the things. So friends, these are the things to log out Twitter. You simply tap there and then go to setting and privacy and go to account, and then scroll down and you will see logout option, deactivate your account option. So friends, these are the features of Twitter. So friends, I hope you understand this video. So till then, take care and thanks for watching this video.